I'm starting with the big lenses to look more like a fairy tale, and then using gray color, applying it with a sponge around my forehead, cheekbones, chin, neck, and all the way down the chest. And while applying, I'm not particularly careful with intensity of the color, so it all goes like patches. It's all because it's going to look like clouds. It's going to be a scene, and down the chest I'm going to paint branches and then snow leopards, but just now what I'm trying to achieve is just the gray color, which is going to work as a background for my other things. I'm highlighting my cheekbones, nose, and a little bit my eyes. I had this funny day when I didn't want to use brushes much and used fingers instead. Also, if I had a matching color of eyeshadow, I would apply it not only on my eyelids but everywhere, like on my cheekbones just now and under my chin, on my neck. So whatever color was, I was just mixing and matching. I painted mountains with one stroke, and it was white on the top and grey on the bottom. Then with flat side of the brush, I done forests outline and also added branches going from one side to another. With the snow leopard, I was just looking at the picture and trying to catch the main forms of cheekbones, of nose, and the lower part. And yeah, this is it. Then painting in the eyes at the appropriate spaces and noses. I kind of studied like on my own how to do feline faces, and I wouldn't say that I'm mastering it, but it took me quite a few paintings to actually to start catching the shape of its head. And well, I could do as the whole tutorial of have to paint them, but I think it will be easier just to find a tutorial on the YouTube, and not as a face painting but just a regular painting, how to paint like cheetah, tiger, lion, whatever. They're all very similar. While painting branches, some of them I'm painting with a strong color and some of them with diluted paint, so it creates the illusion that there are more branches in background. I also overlap a little bit branches over the leopard, so it looks like he's hiding underneath. The same happens with snow. Snow is also overlapping many branches. I had this idea with gray and gold colors when I was starting doing this picture, so after painting the whole design, I was actually wondering if I actually want to add any gold on it, but then I took some pictures and decided to go for it because that was my main plan. And I'm using maroon gold with liquid and painting over some snowflakes, also adding a little bit of fur to the leopard and my eyebrows, a little bit on lips. So these are the most important steps that I've done while painting this picture, and if you have any questions, do ask me in comments below. And I also hope that you like this video. I'm planning to do some more new paintings and I'm going to upload some old ones as well, so bear with me, and I hope to see you soon in my next tutorial. Bye!